Greetings all, hope the day finds you well. Ken Reedy for Live-Minded Video, and today we're going to teach you how to make your own animated film. That's right, and I know there's a lot of stuff out there, AI, technology, what should I use? And it can get really confusing and mind-blowing. We're going to take you through a very simple process. So all I'm asking, give us 5 minutes. Give us 5 minutes and we're going to teach you how to be your very own filmmaker. So first off, we need a story, right? So we're going to try and generate a story of your own animated film. If you don't have a story yet, let's use ChatGPT. ChatGPT is great. Go to your web browser, go to chat.openai.com and just tell it. You give it instructions. Write a simple humorous story about a cat who wants to be a superhero. A very simple story about a person who wishes they could be talking to animals. Whatever your story is, create the story. ChatGPT will generate it for you. And then what you want to do when you have it generate the story, also ask ChatGPT to create video prompts for your scene. So for example, that superhero cat, create video prompts for a scene where a cat is trying to put on a superhero cape, okay? Once you're done with that, you got your story, ChatGPT helps you out. We got to do a voiceover. So let's add that voice to our story. You can create an 11 Labs account at 11labs.io and create a free account. Input your script. So whatever script you add from ChatGPT, you're going to input it into 11 Labs. Choose a voice.
The years teach. If you spend your
A single road
governmental
life without
Select the voice from the options that they give you, and then download the audio file into your computer. So now look at this. You have your voiceover, you got your story, and you got your video prompts. Now we're going to use AI to give us some background music. That's right, you can use AI to make background music, or you can use YouTube's music library instead. But we need some mood music. We need to create the right mood. So you go to Udio, make yourself an account, go to udio.ai and create a free account. Describe the music. What kind of music do you want with your video? Tell Udio, hey, upbeat music for my comedy animation. Let Udio create your music track, and then you want to download that track onto your computer.
rent's too high.
Okay, so now we got your music, we got your story, we got the video prompts, we got the voiceover. Now we're going to do the AI video generation. Bring this story to life. And you're going to go to a website called Haiper, H-A-I-P-E-R. Go to haiper.ai and create a free account. Input the video prompts that you got from ChatGPT. That's why it's important when you're generating your story. Get those video prompts, put them into Haiper, and then say, click Create Free to generate videos for each scene, and then you're going to download that to generate the videos onto your computer. And the last step, edit and add scenes. Choose a video editor. You can use things like CapCut, iMovie, Adobe Premiere Pro, whatever you're comfortable with. Import files, so you're gonna import the voiceover, the music, the video clips, all into the editor. You're gonna start syncing up your video and your audio, make timing of the voiceover with the video clips. You can add transitions in these websites, smooth transitions from shot to shot, add the music that you've created, and then you export the entire film once you're done. And there you have it. You have created your own animated movie. And the one thing to remember while you're doing this, have fun with it. Go to these sites, play with these sites, get comfortable. Remember, what we're giving you right here is a very basic guide on how to create your own animated movie. But it's fun. And you know what? If you've enjoyed this video, comment below. If you have any questions or ideas for any other videos you'd like us to do or teach you about, please comment below. Thank you for tuning in, and until next time, you all have a great day.
In a small coastal cottage, Claire waited,
her eyes fixed on the horizon where the sky met the sea. The waves' constant rhythm was soothing, but tonight, anticipation tinged with anxiety filled her heart. Her husband, David, an astronaut, was returning from a year-long mission aboard the ISS. Updates from Mission Control offered reassurance, yet nothing eased the ache of his absence. The call finally came. The spacecraft landed smoothly. Astronauts emerged to cheers. Claire stole glances at David, marveling at the unchanged yet somehow transformed man beside her.